without you holding my hand.
I can't even walk without you holding my hand. The mountain's too high and the valley's too wide. Down on my knees I learn to stand, and I can't even walk without you holding my hand. I think I'll make Jesus my one and my all. From now when I'm in trouble, only His name I'll call.
If I don't trust him, I'll be less than